guys, Scott from Lynoka Garage Door Company here. Little traffic talk. Just want to remind you that the average garage door spring is a 10,000 cycle spring, which typically lasts 7 to 10 years. And you can get extended life springs, 25,000 or even 50,000 cycle springs. And those last much longer, obviously. But the average spring lasts about 10 years, 10,000 cycles. And a pair of springs installed should only cost you $300 to $400 with a warranty. So if you're paying more than that, you're definitely being overcharged.